Good afternoon, Doug Williams, Blade Chevrolet. Thank you for letting me show you the Avalanche. This is the White Diamond Tri-Coat. This is a one-owner vehicle. If I see any flaws, I'll make sure to point them out. I try very hard. It was dusty. We had a little rain this weekend, followed by a little breeze, so I had it rinsed off. Impact-resistant headlight lenses, fog light. Little rock chip there. Windshield is intact. Coming around to the driver's side. Tires have a lot of tread left on them. As a matter of fact, they still have the little nubbies here. I see no curb rash on the rims at all. Chrome package going down with the mirrors, door handles, door trim, and around the running boards. Tinted windows removing 99.9% of all UV rays from entering the inside of the vehicle. A lot of times you'll see scuffs on the mirrors, not there. I see no door dings or paint transfers. Oh, that was just a dirt spot. Inside, ebony interior, burl wood trim, heated back and bottom seats, memory 1 and 2 with easy exit, 12-way power driver's seat. Hold on for a second. Key with auto start. You can see the seats are intact, no rips, no tears, no discoloration. The floor mats are 1-gallon floor mats with the standard floor mats at the bottom still covered in plastic. Redundant steering wheel controls for stereo, OnStar, Bluetooth. Navigation, OnStar with turn-by-turn navigation. Automatic climate control for driver and passenger, adjustable pedals, turning off your rear parking when you're towing, turn off your traction control, and headlight washer. Dual power points, no ashtray. This does have the felt lining and cup holders. Inside, all documentation is still with the vehicle. Sunroof. Here, let me back up just a second. You'll notice the back seat is approximately 8 inches higher than the front seat. That gives you a theater tier seating area. The doors have been cut totally square out. People won't hit their heads when they're getting in and out. But having that higher than the front gives everybody a theater tier seating. They can see over the seat, they can see out. They don't have to have a drive where they just sit there and look at the back of somebody's noggin. This also has the headphones still in the box. Going around the back, you have the wraparound tail lights. Rear parking sensors have all been painted. Class 4 trailer towing hitch. Rear view camera system. Intact with no cracks. Easy lift tailgate. Chrome tip exhaust. Looking down the passenger side, no door dents, no paint transfers again. I absolutely love this. I like to call it my cooler. If you look at the bottom, it actually has a drain hole down there. I've known people to fill it with ice and Diet Coke and keep them cold for the whole trip. Little water on the seat there. No rips, no tears. 12-way power. There is no interior smell, no smoke, no mildew, no damp or mustiness. Thank you very much for letting me show you the Chevy Avalanche here at Blade Chevrolet in Mount Vernon, Washington, and for giving us the chance to earn your business. Have a great day.